Yeah, what up? Welcome back to another video, guys. I bet you guys are looking at this video right now and you're like, whoa, this looks different. We're not used to seeing this. Let me know how the camera view right now is, how the camera angle is from your perspective. Should be pretty good. So the windscreen is not that high. Alright, so for some time now, I've been wanting to do a little video on Jerry's bike. So he came over to the house today and we chopped it up for a bit. Jerry's such a cool dude, man. Cool. One of the coolest white dudes I know is Jerry. So yeah, he came over and chopped it up a bit. And we're gonna take the bikes out. He's on my bike, he's riding back at me. And I'm on his 2018 Street Glide Anniversary Edition. And this, believe me, when I say this bike is beautiful, it is beautiful. I love the paint jobs on these Anniversary Edition bikes. They are just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful blue colors, man. And from what I know, he has a stage 4 on here. So we're gonna keep riding down the road and we're gonna get on the highway and open her up. Cause a stage 4, woo! He tells me that he makes most of his power once you reach that 4,000 RPM. 6,000 is where the power is at. So I can't wait to hop on it, crank on it, and see what this baby does. Such a beautiful day here as well in dirty Jersey. Blue skies, clear skies. I hope everyone's enjoying their beautiful weekend. If you saw my video from yesterday, I did the video on all the mods that I've done on my 2020 Lowrider Rest already. So if you haven't watched that yet, go ahead and check that out. I'll link it up at the end of this video. You guys can check that. Check it, check it, check it, check. This is so different from like my bike. Like my bike, I'm able to literally throw it around. And this bike is even heavier because it has a tour pack in the back as well. So once we get off the bike, what we're gonna do right now is that we're gonna take it on the highway, open her up, and then do some cruising around town. We'll get off the bike and we'll give you a nice little view of what the bike looks like, everything that it has. That's pretty cool. Everything that it has, and we'll ask Jerry a few questions. A funny story, Jerry got this bike, and while he got this bike, he also had 2 other Anniversary Edition bikes. He showed me the picture, man, and it's like, it's insane. Look at that fat boy, beautiful. It is the coolest picture you can see. 3 anniversary bikes in his garage. This guy's insane, man. The amount of money that he spent on bikes in his lifetime, mind-boggling. Mind-boggling. So different from riding my bike. Like I was saying before, my bike, I'm able to just throw it around everywhere because it's, you know, it is a heavy bike. Here it is. My bike is around 600 pounds, but this bike, I don't know what, well, maybe 700 pounds or so, plus a tour pack. So even more weight on there. All right. Feels like a big, huge couch. So comfortable though. He swapped the seat out on here as well. He got this big cushion seat that feels great. A lot of cars today. I was hoping there wasn't going to be that much traffic out. And right when I was going to turn, this car got in the way. Okay, I really want to open her up, and I'm unable to right now. And I don't want to get too crazy. It's not my bike, you know? Look at this guy. Like, she just wants to go. Tremendous amount of power on here. Like literally at 4,000 RPM is when this bike wants to take off. Ah, come on, baby. Jerry's been wanting to get a soft tail lately. And I'm like, listen, get Get a lowrider, man, or a street glide. I mean, a street bob. Look how sexy that bike looks from the back. Hey! I've been on several street glides, so I'm on this one. I've been on Camillo's CVO. You guys saw the video when we went to Times Square. That was a pretty good ride. And he has the legend suspension on there as well, so that bike feels super comfortable. And I've been on a street glide special. I'm in a street glide standard. A few different street glides. And I'm a big fan of street glides, man. Street glides used to be my favorite baggers. I'm kind of more leaning towards road glides now. I just love the shark nose fairing in the front. Looks so aggressive, and those double lights, it looks super cool, man. This stage 4, like I'm not even getting the full potential out of it yet. We're cruising at 80, and it's like, I'm all right. It's like she literally wants you to rip her. Like 80 is nothing. She's just chilling. We're actually supposed to get off at 17, but let's just keep going, man. Damn traffic today, bro. Damn traffic. She just wants to take off. Well, we're only cruising we're on 5th gear. Cruising at 75. And at 5th gear, she's full of power. Cruising at 80. And she wants to take off. Man. She hits 100 like nothing. Like I said, this bike does have the tour pack in the back, and it's not the big huge one that that you see on the Ultra. It's more of a smaller one that they make for these bikes. It's just so different riding with a tour pack in the back. Very different. I suppose riding with that one. And it's not like, I mean, it doesn't also feel like, you know, like I'm on a boat and it's like going side to side, but it's like in the back of my mind where it's like, I do have a tour pack on there and certain things that I can maneuver this bike the way I want to. Man, this stage 4. For some time now, I've been contemplating if I want to do a stage 2 on my bike. I'm really leaning towards doing it. I was happy at first with the stage 1, but it's like it's never enough. Like what's enough? It's like when you talk about money. What's enough, you know? It's never enough. You're always gonna want more no matter what. More power. More power! Going to media. More power, baby. More power. Alright, we're gonna hop back on the highway now. Hopefully there's isn't that much traffic going the other way. These bars feel really good as well, guys. I don't know how tall they are. Alright. Oh my god, the power that this bike has. Jesus. Wow. You guys should see the smile on my face right now, man. What a monster. What a monster. I get asked this question a lot. Do I see myself on a bagger? Not right now. It's not something that I would want right now, but eventually, yes. Later down the road, I would love to own a bagger. Either or, a street glide or a road glide. Either or will be fun for me. But not right now. I'm more than happy with my bike. But if we're talking in terms of having multiple bikes, sure.
How did you get on the RPM?
Like 5,000. I didn't even reach it up to 6,000. Yeah. Oh hell yeah! At 80, it wants to pull away.
What?
When you're cruising at 80 or 90, it still wants to pull away.
Yeah.
It's insane.
110,
Yeah. I like the fact that I'm able to ride with my visor up when I'm on a bagger bike, because everything right here just blocks all that wind from coming into your face. Big perks of having a bagger is that you don't have to deal with all that wind hitting you, hitting your body, hitting your face. I really don't care about that, to be honest. Like I really don't care, but I mean, a lot of people care about that. That's the reason why a lot of people go with baggers. Woo, that thing sounds crazy. Jesus. All right, so I guess we'll just park here right across the street from Teterboro. All right, guys, so here is the look of this beautiful anniversary edition Street Glide. Like I said before, it's a 2018, the 107 on it. Like I also mentioned before, it does have a stage 4 on it. He went ahead and he also got the tour pack for it, which doesn't come with it, but he added that on. So we also have some Reinhardt exhaust on here. Those things sound amazing. Just a beautiful bike. Like I said before, I really love the color combination of the anniversary edition colors. They just makes a bike look really, really special, really cool. This thing is a monster, as you can see right now. It literally wants to live like at 80 and 90, and at that point it wants to take off, and all that power, it just wants to make it at 4,000 RPM and above. Bike is a monster, man. All right, Jerry, so Jerry's gonna tell us exactly what he has on this beautiful bike already. You wanna start with the stage 4, Jerry?
We'll start from the front, go to the back. So, anniversary edition, I had the lower legs chromed. I had this vent, because it comes with a black vent, I had the color matched vent. Then I had the color matched lower fairings added, the highway pegs.
What color do they originally come? Black?
They don't come at all. Like on the Street Glide, there's no fairing.
Oh, okay.
This is like, you know, on the Ultra they would have them.
Nice, all right.
They would be two-tone for the Ultra, but for the Street Glide, they're only coming the blue.
Gotcha.
So for the anniversary color. Then like I said, the highway pegs. Then I changed out to the CVO floorboards, the Kahuna floorboards.
Nice.
Went with Yaffe 14-inch bars.
They feel really good, and I'm short. I'm 5'7", and for me, they feel great.
The mirrors, these, I forget what the hell the mirrors they call these. These were on my Heritage anniversary. I took them off.
Yeah, those are pretty cool.
The Kahuna heated grips. Then we get to the engine, which is the biggest part of it. It was originally 107. It's a 114 stage 4, pushing like 124 horsepower at the rear wheel, 109 pounds of torque, somewhere around there. I put the heat shield on so you don't burn your legs when you're riding.
Yeah.
The seat is what they call a tall boy seat. It lifts you up and pushes you back, which if you're a taller rider like me, it's good for that.
Yeah. Not for me. But it feels great though.
The chopped tour pack, color matched. I had to order this special.
Can we open it?
Yeah.
See what it looks like inside.
Yeah, I put the organizer in here.
You can fit a lot of snacks in there, man.
Yeah, I wish these were snacks. The only thing I got is water.
That's pretty cool.
But it's like the liner. It holds a decent amount. Half helmets, never full helmets. Like if you have a full King tour pack, it'll hold 2 full-size helmets.
Nice.
But this only hold halves or whatever. But you can hold a lot of shit. And then the Reinhardt exhaust.
Nice. Do you have any other plans for this bike? Or do you want to leave it as is?
2 other upgrades I'm probably going to do. I was waiting till the winter to do the suspension, but I think I can't wait any longer. So I'm probably going to do at least a rear Legend suspension, because the suspension is horrible on this bike stock. And riding with my wife and going on long trips, everything, it's a little uncomfortable after a while. So I'm going to do at least the Legends rear. Then for the winter, when I put it in for the winter, usually I get something done every winter. I'm going to do the front suspension, Legend suspension.
Okay.
And then I would like to do a stereo upgrade. I'm not sure if I want to do the whole 900-watt stereo with.
You can put the speakers on there as well?
Speakers here, and possibly speakers here. Now it's very pricey, and I don't know if it's worthwhile, but it definitely would be a killer stereo system.
Definitely
It'd have
would.
like 3 amps, and then upgrades to the speakers here too.
Yeah, that'd be pretty sick.
So, and that I think is about it, but then you never know.
So I was also mentioning in my video before when I was riding it, I was letting them know that when you got this bike, you also had 2 other anniversary edition bikes.
Yes, I bought this bike in October or November of 17, and then I also had on order originally Anniversary Heritage and an Anniversary Fat Boy, which both came in, but then at the time I didn't want to get them. But then in April of 2018, I bought the Anniversary Heritage, same thing, 2-tone, black and blue, but it was all black, had black forks, black handlebars, everything's blacked out 114. The Fat Boy I bought was the denim Legend Blue, which is like a denim paint scheme.
Right.
But instead of having the emblems, it has like an eagle going across the tank or whatever. That bike also was a 114, but it had that satin finish.
So let me ask you a question, because I didn't get to ask you last time. Why did you want 3 anniversary edition bikes?
At the time, I was turning 50 years old. I think I was going through a midlife crisis, and I decided that it was kind of a good idea to buy all 3. Looking back, not so much. This bike is probably the best bike I've ever owned.
This is a beautiful bike.
I've had 50 plus motorcycles, over 30 Harleys, over 19 new ones.
Wow.
And this one is probably my favorite out of every single one of them I've owned.
It's a beautiful bike, man. It feels great. Like it looks really good. I just love the whole colors on it. It's a beautiful bike. It rides amazing. And I mean, I don't think it's anything else you could ask for from a bike. And you're able to take it on long trips to that tour pack. Mm-hmm. And your wife likes it, right? She's pretty comfortable on it.
She originally wanted me to buy a CVO, but I think I'm better off with doing what I did because I saved a lot of money.
Yeah.
I'm still, up there in price compared to the original price, but compared to what I have into it, compared to what a CVO cost, I think I'm doing all right. Yeah,
me personally, I wouldn't ever go CVO. I would rather go something like this and add a few things here and there, and it's basically the same bike.
I mean, I've had CVOs. I had a 2000 FXR4 CVO, and I had a 2007 Screaming Eagle Springer CVO, which I traded in towards this bike, and I lost my shirt. I had it for 10 years, but I lost a lot of money.
Wow. Well, the bike feels great. Let me know what you guys think about this beautiful beast right here. She definitely is a beast. Like I said before, she literally wants to live at around 80 and 90. That's what she's happy at. And even at that point, there's just tons and tons of power there. Whenever you want it, you just want to crank on that bike and take off on it. It's a shame that the roads weren't as open as I thought they were going to be today, because I, kind of wanted to get a little reckless with her, but maybe next time. But beautiful bike. If you guys have a street glide, let me know what you have. Let me know what you have on your street glide, or if you are in the market looking for one of these bikes, definitely recommend street glides and road glides. Like I said before, I love these things, man. And the tour pack, I gotta say, it didn't feel weird. Like I said, I think it was just the thought of knowing that it was back there, and it was like, all right, well, I gotta ride this a little different. But it didn't, it wasn't swaying me or anything some type of direction either. So not bad. Beautiful bike. That's gonna be it, guys. That's my 2020 Lowrider S right there as well, which we're building out little by little. And we're gonna catch you on the next one. Like always, guys, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.